Hi everyone. In today's video, let's see how we can update Java from UI. So this is my basic runtime, which is installed on my Windows machine, and I also have a proxy installed on this Windows machine. So currently, I want to update my Java from 11.0.16 to the latest version, which is 11.0.26 as of April 21st. So let's see how we can update this Java from the UI. So once you log into your platform, you'll see this manage button here. And once you click on the runtime management, you will be landing here. So upon clicking this Java information, just click on update to Java and you'll be seeing this screen. You can update the Java in two ways, either from UI upgrade, which is we're doing currently, or you can simply click on download the Java upgrade wizard. So a wizard will be downloaded and you can follow the steps mentioned in that wizard for a manual Java update. So as part of this video, we are doing update on UI upgrade. So the JRE preferences, when I install this local basic runtime, the JRE is also installed as part of the runtime installation. So I don't want to change the JRE path, which is the JRE downloaded as part of the runtime installation. And this, if you are using any JRE that is local to your server or Windows machine, you can use it, or you can use the JRE that is downloaded as part of runtime installation. So I don't want to switch the JRE paths. I'm keeping as it is. So I'll click on do not make changes to preferred JRE and click on update. So once you click on update, you'll see runtime will upgrade shortly. And you see this atom is going for a rolling restart. Um, let's wait for 1 minute. It looks like there is some problem with my runtime. Let's see the container logs. Please check the container logs to identify more information. Okay, let me log into my. So this is my container logs, which is installed. So these are the logs, and if I open to the, if I open today's log, which is 21st April 2025. Okay, so it is showing this PKIX path building failed, unable to find valid certification path to the requested target. So yeah, it looks like there is issue with my proxy server. That's why it is showing the PKIX. So let's actually see if there is any Java upgrade related steps. If you see container Java version is equal to newer than the latest version from platform. Is equal or newer than latest version. So once you click on this UI, it started downloading this JRE, latest JRE, but due to some issue with my proxy server, I could see the certificate is expired. So if I go to my certificates, it's expired actually. So since the local machine is down, I'm not able to see the certificate authority tab here. In the next video, we'll see how we'll troubleshoot the certificate related issue pertaining to my proxy server and how we'll install this Java upgrade and in the next video. Thanks for listening to this video. Have a nice day ahead.